Good morning, class 9. In the previous video, I was discussing about the chapter factorization. In factorization, the chapter is categorized in the five different type question. In type 1, we had already seen factorization by taking out some common factor. In type 2, factorization by grouping. In type 3, factorization of trinomials, it means factorization by splitting the middle term. Today that I have to discuss. In type 4 and type 5, in next videos I will discuss. So now this is the one of the important topic of this chapter, so try to understand this topic. Now see, I am going to explain this topic by solving more and more problems. Let us see an example. Factorize a square plus 10a plus 24. 1, 2, 3. It is always in three terms, and in that I am written here factorization of trinomials. In this case, we have to split this middle term. This 10 we are going to split. 10 we are going to split in such a way that either you have to add or subtract, it should be 10, and the product of that two number, it should be equal to the product of coefficient of this and this constant number. So what is the rule for splitting the middle term? This 24, that we have to multiply with 1. 24 into 1, 24 ones are 24, and try to find the prime factor of this 24. So for 24 we can write 4 into 6, 4 6 are 24, and on adding this we'll get 10. So that I am writing here 6 plus 4, a square, a into 6, 6a, 4 into a, 4a plus 24. Now we have to make the group and take out the some common factor. A is the common factor, a plus 6, 4 is the common factor, a plus 6, a plus 6 again common, and a plus 4, that will be the answer. These are the two factors of this expression. Now see one more problem. 2x square minus 7x plus 6. First we have to multiply these two numbers, 6 into 2, that will be 12, and try to find the prime factor of that 12. So 3 4s are 12, it means 3 plus 4, that will be 7, and 3 into 4, that will be 12. 3 plus 4, so x into 4, 4x, plus minus minus, x into 3, 3x. 2x is the common term, x minus 2, minus 3 is the common term, x minus 2. So x minus 2 and 2x minus 3, this will be the answer. Now see one more problem. 3x square minus 11x minus 4. Now 4 3s are 12, and find out the prime factor of 12. 12 ones are 12, so 12 minus 1, that will be 11. So x into 12, 12x, and minus minus plus, and x ones are x, that is here, and 3x is the common in the first two term, x minus 4, and 1 is the common in the last two term. So x minus 4 again common, and 3x plus 1, that will be the answer. Factorize this. 6x square minus a minus 15, you can suppose that 1 is hidden there. Now after adding or subtracting, 1 is required term. So 15 into sign, first we have to multiply. 15 into 6, 90. So 10 9s are 90. So 10 minus 9, that is 1. So 10 into a, 10a, minus minus plus, a into 9, 9a. Now 2a is the common. 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. 3 is the common, 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. 3a minus 5, 3a minus 5 is the common, and 2a plus 3, that will be the answer. Now see one more problem, that is factorization, little bit lengthy term, but it is not difficult. In this type of question we have to apply the substitution method. In this type of question you can see the bracket terms. The bracket terms are same. So try to suppose a variable of this bracket term. In the second line you can see that I have supposed as 3x minus 2y is equal to a. Other than x and y, whatever variable is already there in the question, don't suppose that. Other than that variable you can suppose different variable. Likewise here, x and y in the question. So we are supposing here as a. So 3x minus 2y is equal to a. This we have supposed as a. It means a square plus 3a minus 10. For 3, now as a previous problem, 10 ones are, you can suppose here before the coefficient of a square is equal to 1. So 10 ones are 10, and find out the prime factor of 10. 2 5s are 10. It means 5 minus 2, we can write here 3. So a into 5, 5a, plus minus minus, a into 2, that is 2a. Now make the group, the first two term and the last two term. The first two term a is the common, that is a plus 5. In the last two term, a 2 minus 2 is the common, a plus 5. After taking common these two brackets, it should be same. So a plus 5 again common, and a minus 2 will be left. A plus 5 and a minus 2. And after factorization, return the value of a, whatever you have supposed as a. I think a you have supposed here, 3x minus 2y. That value we are putting here. A 3x minus 2y plus 5, 3x minus 2y minus 2. So this will be the factors of the given expression. Now see the next problem. The next problem is similar to the previous one. See here, 2a plus b whole square minus 6a minus 3b minus 4. But in the previous question, two brackets was there, and the terms of two bracket was same. But right now only one brackets are there. But you can see the second and third term, that is minus 6a minus 3b. I think you can guess that some numbers are common here. I think minus sign is the common and 3 is the common. So take here minus 3 as a common. So 3 2 is 6 and 3 1s are 3. So after taking minus 3 as a common, you can see the bracket. The bracket terms are same. Now it is as a previous problem. Now you have to suppose 2a plus b as x other than a and b. We have supposed as x. So it is x square minus 3x minus 4. Now factorize by splitting the middle term. So 4 into 1, 4 1s are 4, and find out the prime factor of 4, that is 4 1s are 4. So 4 minus 1, that is 3. Now open the bracket. X into 4, 4x, x into 1, 1x, and also multiplied with the minus sign. Minus plus minus 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 plus. Now take the minus sign as a common in the first two term. X is the common, x minus 4, 1 is the common, x minus 4. X minus 4 is again common here, and x plus 1 is this term. Now return the value of x. I think x we have supposed as in the second line 2a plus b. 2a plus b, you can see here. X we have supposed 2a plus b. Instead of this x, 2a plus b minus 4, 2a plus b plus 1. So these are the two factors of that questions. So class 9, I am suggesting you, so try to complete the exercise that is based on third type, that is factorization of trinomials and factorization by splitting the middle term. So first you have to try to some simple question. Just go through the exercise one by one. Don't skip the single questions and try to complete the exercise. So in next video I will discuss about the fourth and fifth type, that is based on factorization based on difference of squares, sum of the cubes, and based on cubes. So thank you very much for watching the video. All the best.